Can you get the Mixy app on Android? Now, if I come over here to my Play Store, I hit search, okay, and you search for Mixy, right? Depends on your region, but usually it would most likely be blocked in your region. As you can see, when I search it up, it's not showing. So what you actually need to do, you need to get a VPN. And let me show you the different ones I got right here. So I tried Turbo, I tried Express, I tried some other ones as well. These are free ones, they did not actually work, but I tried NordVPN as well. Now this one actually works. I just, created a new account to show you, and they have an offer 39% plus 3 days free. But I'll also show you right here. I found a link where it gets you 73% off plus 3 extra months. I'll leave the link to this in the description so you can actually get a NordVPN. Just go ahead and get it from the website using this link. Okay, you just come here, click on Get NordVPN, you sign up for the plan, and then you begin installing it. And after that, what you want to do is just go ahead and connect the VPN and connect to another country where Mixy app is available. And then what you want to do is fully close your Play Store, okay, and then open it back up again after you've turned on the VPN. And once you search up the Mixy app, it will actually be available for Android. So make sure you go to the link in the description and you can go ahead and get this offer right here for this one. As you can see, 73% off plus 3 extra months. So make sure you go get it in the description. If that's helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.